we're the trade union and professional association for nurses and midwives in New South Wales. We've got around 70,000 members. Our members are at the front line of COVID, and so as you can imagine, they were quite concerned about their safety at work. A real challenge for us was making sure that we could set up systems to provide timely and accurate advice to a large number of members. And there were a couple of key things that our members were really concerned about when it came to COVID: personal protective equipment and around access to leave. Our key activities and focus was around education for our members. It was providing representation for people in their workplace when local issues arose. And some of the things that I'm particularly proud of are that there has been an increase in PPE availability. Substandard PPE has been removed from workplaces, and we're now seeing the start of fit testing for all nurses wearing P2 or N95 masks at work. As you can imagine, communication was really important. Our comms team worked overtime to make sure that we could set up a great new web page, as well as that to make sure that members could come back to us and it wasn't just a one-way communication. We extended our hours of operation, and we also did things like set up WhatsApp groups. We needed to seek advice at the highest levels, and so we sought advice from governments but also from organisations like the Centre for Disease Control in the United States, the World Health Organization. We sought advice from other unions, anyone and everyone, to make sure that we were as up to date on the information as we possibly could be. So key lessons for me coming out of COVID is how important it is that we exercise precautionary principles and we put in place the highest level of protection that we can. The second thing I think is how important it is that we have a local capacity to manufacture PPE. We've had really high levels of member engagement, and also just knowing that those workplaces are safer places for nurses and midwives is very satisfying.